Welcome. Thank you for joining. This is for you. It is my attempt to try explaining the rules, the equipment, techniques and dangers of the Via Ferrata activity. Enjoy. Via Ferrata is your waster to the heights of a mountain. Until recently, only the experts could go so high up. But now, with the help of so many mountain lovers, hard work and dedication, we have Via Ferrata. That amazing mountaineering experience you'll most probably fall in love at first attempt. Via Ferrata, even if not something easy to do, is safe enough so that a large majority of us can get up the couch and out the door to try an experience without Paragon. Beware, to keep Via Ferrata a safe activity, there are rules to follow and protective equipment to wear. Without them, one should not go on a Via Ferrata. It's not only that you'll put your life in danger, but you'll also put at risk the people around you. Via Ferrata is fun, a daunting challenge, an activity on the bucket list category. Unfortunately, Via Ferrata can also be dangerous. It is why, for your own protection, you should properly follow the safety rules and correctly use the protective equipment. If you don't know from where to start, or if you want to find out more about Via Ferrata and its best practices, stay tuned, and hopefully, one by one, all your questions will be straightforward answered.